Good morning everyone. My name is Ishwari Akash Gulane. Today we are second Bhaskaracharya conducting morning assembly. Now may I call Archit Zhade to say thought of the day. Good morning all of you. My name is Archit Pankaj Zhade. Thoughts of the day. The more you give, the more you receive. Thank you. Thank you, Archit. Now may I call Sanika Dange to say word of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanika Dange. Word of the day. First, jubilant means feeling or expressing great joy. Second, abundant means a large quantity of something. Thank you. Thank you, Sanika. Now may I call Unnati Dhansande to say news headline. Good morning, all of you. Good morning, all of you. My name is Unnati Shailesh Dhansande. News of the day. NASA chief to visit ISRO Center testing NISAR today. Save space unit. Second, India in talk with Beijing. Blue Origin for space partnership. Thank you. Thank you, Unnati. Now may I call Sai Mahare to ask GK question.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sai Ashish Mere. GK question. First, what type of gas is absorbed by plants?
Carbon dioxide.
The right answer is carbon dioxide. Second, which which is the statue is which is the tallest statue in the world?
Which is the tallest statue in the world? Yes, Gibra. Statue of Unity.
Statue of Unity is the right answer. Right answer is Statue of Unity. For pre-primary, how many eyes do we have? The right answer is 2. Thank you.